Hi guys, I am a lawyer based in Delhi and I have a lot of running around, so I drive an EV and I've been driving that for past 2 years and it's going really great. And so recently we planned to consider buying another vehicle and we shortlisted for a strong hybrid because the outdated vehicles, the regular petrol and diesel vehicles were just not too feasible to the idea of spending so much on fuel. But what really took my attention is the fact that the strong hybrids are also suffering the same 15-year-old ban, much like your regular petrol vehicle. And it does not make any sense to me because I'm spending extra lakhs to buy a more efficient engine assisted by an external battery pack. So it definitely improves the efficiency. A 16-year-old or a 15-year-old smart hybrid engine would be any day, any time more efficient and less emitting on the pollution end when it comes to comparisons with your regular petrol engine. Secondly, the judgment of the Supreme Court, which was originally an appeal from an NGT's judgment, does not make any scientific differentiation between the your regular petrol engines and your plug-in hybrids or your strong hybrids. And thirdly, it fails to consider the real-time emissions and the actual emission norms when it comes to testing these vehicles. They have just blanketly made a order where you impose and take age as the factor to determine whether the vehicle is polluting or fit or not to ply on the roads. Does not make any sense. And moreover, I think the car industry, the whole automobile industry has a very great incentive to only create very substandard and very not so durable vehicles because they know any day it will be ultimately going on the scrapping once the vehicle completes its age of 10 years or 15 years, no matter how much kilometers it has run, no matter how well maintained it is, and no matter how much it has been taken care of. So the judgment is flawed on many fronts and ends as a customer, and it all of this disincentivizes me from buying and paying an extra lakhs and buying a better vehicle. I would rather, as a customer who is very cost conscious, would choose for a very simple and a straight vehicle with less with less sophistication. And in current times of AI and ADAS and all those technologies popping in, I think the judgment already feels outdated. At least the court should consider these factors in mind when pronouncing these judgments, because your judgment should at least survive 10 or 15 years. It's not even surviving the age of the vehicle. What are you ultimately ending up pronouncing is really important, that it fits well to the society and to the changing times. That's my take. Let me know what you think about it.